Yes. Yes. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Altcoin Daily. Today, I want to talk to you guys about having the right mindset when it comes to investing and when it comes to being involved in cryptocurrency. Real quick, I want to get real with you guys for a second. I mention this every video, but you guys know I'm not a traditional financial guy. I'm not a suit. I'm a normal dude in Los Angeles who has a passion for cryptocurrency, and I work hard. And that's really the only two things that you guys care about, because that's, me having a passion for cryptocurrency and working hard is the way that I'm able to make this channel and provide you guys with value. But believe me, I know I'm not the smartest guy on YouTube in the crypto space. I know I'm not the most well-spoken crypto guy on YouTube. You're definitely going to find channels better than mine. I guarantee it. But something that I am good at is recognizing value, whether that be talent, whether that be recognizing a good idea, recognizing key information. I'm able to see the value in something and utilize it. And that's why I want to share with you guys today somebody else's thoughts. I saw this the other day, and I'm going to read you guys something. And although these aren't my words, this guy's post rang true to me. And he originally posted this on Reddit, r cryptocurrency, the subreddit cryptocurrency, and it was titled "Why I'm Not Worried and Why You Shouldn't Be Either." And he posted this at the height, or at the low rather, of the the big sea of red, when we were seeing all-time recent lows. And like I said, these aren't my words. I'm going to be paraphrasing this a little bit. We're not going to read it word for word. But I really wanted to share with you guys, because he posted this the other day when the markets were at all-time recent lows. And it's around a time where a lot of people were fearful that the market was slowly crashing before their eyes. But this guy, I'm going to leave a link to his article in the bottom and in the description, and you guys should all check it out and give him a like, give him an upvote. This guy provides a lot of value. But this what I'm going to read to you, this is a great investor's mindset. And once again, these aren't my words, but what he said really rings true to me. And because I'm not going to read it word for word, I'm going to, this is a very long post. I'm going to paraphrase a little bit. So you guys don't have to stare at nothing. I'm going to be showing you guys just around Santa Monica Pier, I guess, a walking tour. So you can listen to my words, and if you're also watching the video, you can have something to look at. But yeah, let's get into it. And just really, maybe this is simple for you, but I really think that this guy's words ring true. So from here on out, what you hear is his words. Wow. It's grim in here. It's grim everywhere at the moment. But even with the market dipping, I'm not worried. And you shouldn't be worried either. And here's why. I'm going to share with you 4 reasons why you shouldn't be worried about the market dipping. Number 1, the tech isn't going anywhere. This is the most important thing that I feel all of us need to be reminding ourselves of. The internet isn't going anywhere. Online shopping, mobile apps, commerce isn't going anywhere. People aren't going to stop using their smartphones for things. Blockchain technology can, and currently is, revolutionizing entire industries. Just because the prices of these tokens are low at the moment, it doesn't mean that the technology and use cases are void. Because businesses aren't going to not use something that would give them greater profits. Businesses aren't going to not use something that increases efficiency and lowers operating costs. This is such an important point to remember, guys. We've all been bullish on the value of these things because of the technological applications they represent. And that hasn't changed. That hasn't gone anywhere. At the high of the bull market, people were saying invest in the tech, and the same notion still holds. Number 2, governments and institutional money are getting involved. China and South Korea banned ICOs only to bring them back once they had some regulatory control over them. Now China, the country with the second largest GDP, second only to America, is now talking about how they're going to build up blockchain tech in their own country. Russia is implementing blockchain technology. The USA stated they'll relax their stance on regulations. Dozens of other countries saying they support the trading of cryptocurrencies, the implementation of blockchain technology, and healthy regulation. Additionally, Goldman Sachs, the institution that arguably runs the world, is setting up crypto trading desk so their clients, aka big money, can add cryptocurrencies to their portfolios. JP Morgan, another Wall Street powerhouse, has started to advise their clients that they cannot afford to ignore blockchain technology. Now breathe. Take a step back. Disconnect your emotions and ask yourself, does this look like an industry that is dying? No, of course it doesn't. It actually looks like an enormous snowball building momentum. Serious money was never going to get involved in something over the course of a few months. That's not how they work, and it's why they are serious money in the first place. Middle of last year, crypto was a curiosity. Now it's the future. Don't look at the current prices. Look at what is happening in the industry. Which brings me to my next point. Number 3. Remember who is buying at the moment. Us, super smart early adopters, are panic selling. And who do you think is buying? It can't be us early adopters. We're still selling, out of money or holding. So who is buying this stuff over the last 2 months while we've all been losing our shit? It can't be us. We don't have the volume. It's not sucker, regular Joes. They are still on the sidelines because the news told them that Bitcoin was a bubble. And now they're laughing. How super smart they were for not getting involved, shaking their heads at those silly crypto idiots. So who's buying? Big money. While we've spent the last 2 months panic selling and lamenting our lost Lambos, people with very deep pockets have been accumulating all the coins we've dumped. Maybe they're looking at the bigger picture that the first 2 points make. Maybe they have patience that extends beyond a few months. Number 4. We've learned hard lessons. Hands up if you ignored or downvoted a post at the end of December telling us to sell. I did. It was sound advice. Classic bubble and market mentality told us it was sound advice. Few of us listened. And why was that? Because learning a lesson the hard way means it sticks. All of you that kept hodling, well done, guys. The next time the market is up and we reach new all-time highs, who is going to sell and take some profits then? Hey, I know I am. And why? Because I've learned the hard way that markets are cyclical. When things pump up, they'll come back down. When things drop down, they come back up. It was a hard lesson, but unless you've panic sold, you still have your coins and something much more valuable. Experience. You know to sell a coin. You know to sell when a coin has a huge run-up because you know it'll settle back down in a matter of days or weeks, and you'll be able to buy back in and increase your position. I'd like to end this little post by quoting one of my favorite people in the investment world. And I quote, something, something, something is about being patient. Something, something, something. Investing is about being patient. Something, something. Warren Buffett. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys caught all that, because that is exactly the type of mindset that I talk about. I'm just a normal guy, but that's exactly the type of mindset that I was able to see over the past couple years, and I was able to do pretty well. If you believe in the technology and you believe the team can implement the roadmap, then there's no reason to sell. You try and get in as low as possible, but sometimes the market dips lower. And when you reach, 10 times profits, 20 times profit, dare I say 100 times profit, you take profit. You don't just let it ride. You take profit, because you never know what's going to happen. Anyways, I wanted to share that with you. Go check out the link to this guy's article if you wanna read his whole thing. I like this guy's quote too. It's from the movie Blow, I think. Sometimes you're flush and sometimes you're bust. And when you're up, it's never as good as it seems. And when you're down, you never think you'll be up again. But life goes on. Anyway, guys, if my video today provided you with any value, please like the video or leave a comment. That helps me grow as a channel. Like you all know by now, I'm not a financial investor. These are just my opinions, but I really want to help you guys know what I know on cryptocurrency, and I want to build a channel on YouTube that gives you guys the most value out of any channel, hopefully. And I watch the market every day and try and make videos that are helpful and relevant and try and put it into perspective for you. Anyways, thanks guys. Peace.